So to install this title animation effect, once you get it, double click the DRFX file, and the window like that should appear. In your case it will be installed, in my case it's override, so you can click it, and the titles should be visible under Effects, Titles, Custom Memories. There will be another bin under Titles, and you should see the CYM Action Title 02. So let me grab it to the timeline, and this is how it looks by default. If you play it several times, preview should be more smooth. Okay, so let's jump right into Inspector and see what we got here. So in the Inspector, what you can change is the text, font, color, size, track and line spacing, center, and here are a bunch of controls, sliders that you can customize this smoke effect. So basically what you can do is to increase the gain of the smoke. You can change the glow size. If you set it to 0, there won't be any glow, you will have only the smoke. It looks like this. Just for your information, if you want the playback to be faster, you can go to playback menu and change the timeline playback resolution to half or quarter. So let me set it to half, and it should be now a bit better. Okay, so once again, we got the smoke glow size, and in here we got 3 controls that will affect the color of the glow. So for instance, you can change it to so it looks more yellowish. So I increase the red and decrease the blue, and the smoke is more yellowish. In here you got the part regarding the sparks, because at the beginning of this animation you can notice that there are some kind of sparks like that. You can also control the glow size of it, and as well you can introduce some color if you want the sparks to be different than the smoke. So this is how you can control this animation. A remark would be, try to use fonts that are bold, because the effect looks better. But of course, if you would like to have something like this, that works as well. But I think the bolder the font is, the better for this effect. Okay, so this is transparent, of course, so we can go to effects, and let's change the background to something else, maybe something like this. So as you see, this effect is transparent. I think it works best with clouds, with water surface, with fire, smoke, things like that. It fits the best, in my opinion, in those kind of scenes. But of course, your imagination is the limit here. Now I'm gonna show you one example where you can use this title with the clouds. So I got here a time-lapse of the clouds. Let me grab again my title. So we start from scratch. Okay. As you see, at the beginning of this animation, the smoke is moving faster, and then it slows down. Since this is a time-lapse, I'm gonna open a retime curve, so Ctrl R. I'm gonna create first keyframe, so open this little black triangle and choose Add Speed Point, and let me speed it up on the left side of this time-lapse, so just drag it to the left and see the percentage is increasing. This is the speed of this clip. So let me go even farther. Let me see. Yeah, I need to be even quicker. Yeah, let's say this is fine. And now I can put on top of it my smoke title, but I need to align it right around here. I need to speed ramp this time lapse. So with your time lapse selected, go to keyframes, select the speed, open it by clicking this keyframe curves button, choose detail zoom, and this is our speed ramp, which is linear. So select it and choose ease in and out, so it's more smooth like that. This is how it looks. And as you see, my title is more or less aligned with these clouds. It matches really nice this scene. Hope you're gonna enjoy it. Cheers and see you in the next one.